Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically create a playlist off of your liked videos. So how you can select a lot of songs and make it into a playlist. It's so simple. Just go to your liked songs or whichever playlist you want to move, I guess. I'm just going to select from my liked songs, and I'm just going to press Control A on my keyboard, and it's going to basically select all of the songs on that playlist. And then I'm going to right click, add to playlist, and I'm just going to create playlist, and then it's going to be in this playlist, and I can even edit the where is it? I can edit the the name, maybe liked songs, and press save. That's how you can basically add in a lot of songs from your liked songs to your playlist. So yeah, hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.